Those goals you set at the beginning of this year, what have you done about it? What have you done about that specific goal? Yes, it's you. I'm talking to you. What have you done about those goals? How far has it gone? Have you written that book? Have you done that shoot? Have you done that project? Have you made that move? Have you registered for that training? Don't worry, you're not alone. So many people go through that process of being so excited about goals at the beginning of the year, and once the year seems like it's coming to an end, it's like, you know what? Let's move it to the next year. No moving to the next year. What you need to do now is go back and review every goal that you set at the beginning of the year. Yes, we have 4 months to go, but there is still so much time for you to do every single thing that you need to do. Look at the time that you now have. Maybe you need to review them again, take out things that you don't necessarily need to do, and then make a decision on the things that you must do. Those 1, 2, 3 things that you must do before the end of this year. Don't just decide on that. Break that down into monthly. What are you going to do in the next 5 months, in the next 1 month, this month? What 1 thing or 2 things or 3 things are you going to do towards achieving that goal? And don't end at the month. Break it down into weekly, up until breaking it down into daily. And after listening to this, what are you going to do now towards achieving those goals that you have set?